Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to make a Game Pass and please donate, first is just simply go ahead and go to more over here on the bottom right. And after that, just simply scroll down and select create over here. Now, here on the create tab, select the three lines on the top left corner and you should be able to see here dashboard. So select dashboard and after that, just simply go ahead and make sure your place over here is public. So if it's not public and it's private, just simply select the three dots on the top right. And you should be able to see here make public instead of make private. Now just simply select the place. Just simply go ahead and go to the three lines on the top left again. And after that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here monetization tab and just simply go for the passes over here. Now here on the passes, just simply select create a pass. Now over here, you will have an option to change the picture. And after that, you could just simply provide a name over here and you could provide a description as well and just simply select create pass once you have provided everything. Now we have the game pass over here, and if you scroll to the left, as you can see, it is off sale. So in order for you to change that option, just simply select the game pass that you have. Now here, just simply select the three lines on the top left and should be able to see here sales. And now just simply toggle on item for sale over here and just simply provide a default price. So let's say I'm gonna go for 150 Robux and select save changes over here. And down below you should have other options. And now once you have done that, just simply go back to the Roblox and just simply go to the please donate game. And now from here, just simply follow the arrow that is pointing towards. So from here, just simply select claim over here. Just simply tap and hold, and you should be able to claim it. And as you can see, we should have here the 150 Robux that we had created. And if you want to edit your stand, just simply tap and hold it, and you will have multiple options over here to change the text, the font, the color, and pretty much edit your boot. So guys, remember that it will take some time when someone donated you a Robux. So I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.